Try it out, it might work for you guys also, so Monday doesn't become that, the cliche Monday. Hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you and welcome to the channel once again. It's not good morning for me, it's 3 o'clock right now. I couldn't vlog in the morning because I was busy talking to a lot of people. It's Sunday here again. Then I took head shower, so my hair is a little bit messier because I've just few hours ago I've taken shower and everything. And right now I am just sitting here with my laptop on, and you would be why am I sitting on the floor just like that on a Sunday? I'm just sitting. I have to get some of the projects done because my semester is going to end, and next week there is submission, so I am super occupied because from tomorrow onwards my office and everything is going to start, will also start, so I'll not get that much amount of time. So Sunday evening plan is to get the project done, and along with that I'm having my evening snack, which is raspberry pista badam milkshake. Okay, so that's like my own creation, so that's what I'm having, and along with that some khakra. Okay, so that's the plan, and along with khakra there is some leftover spaghetti that I made last night, so that's what I'm having, and I'm going to be doing my work. So yeah, so that's the plan. I have to complete 2 projects basically, so within the 2 to 3 hours I plan to get done with everything. And it's a very bright sunny day out here. I wanted to go out actually, but let's just skip it for today, not a day where I can actually go out and work also and a lot of things together, so let's just skip it. I've not been working out also or walking lately from past 3-4 days. So yeah, so the plan is like tomorrow when I start the day, I start working out, get into schedule has been disrupted because lot of things together when you have to manage, but it's okay. Sometimes it's okay to just let it go, and you go with the flow. So yes, let's get back to work, get things rolling.
Won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make, and I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition
I'm done
says
with my college project and everything. A little bit left, so I plan to do it in the week. But yeah, I am done with major portion of it. And right now, as you see, I was just making some notes here of what I need to do for tomorrow. So tomorrow is again Monday, a new week begins. So I like to jot it down, and it's going to be the next 2 weeks are going to be really hectic for me. But usually also I do make it a point that at least I have things written down, so I know that this is these are the things that I have to accomplish. So I was just jotting down the points which I have to jotting down the work that I have to do within the next 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, these are the days wherein you have most of the meetings. It's like that. So all the meetings, there are presentations to be prepared and things like that. So I'm just making a note of all of that and getting ready for tomorrow. Once I'm done with this, I think it's 9 o'clock. I am quickly going to prepare dinner, and then the next 2 to 3 hours I'm just going to chill Netflix and just call it a day from all the work and everything. What happens is, if I take out some time on a Sunday evening, so usually whenever we have to go out or party, everything happens on a Friday night, Thursday night or Saturday night. So Sunday evening, if I take out some time and I do all of this planning or some work for that matter, so Monday morning is very easy. So you feel good when you wake up on a Monday morning and you have already done some work. So that's like a thing which I do. It might not be true for most of you guys, Sunday is only for chilling, but I've already you have relaxed chills Friday evening, Saturday evening, full day you have been out. So Sunday I just spend 2-3 hours to just set things up. Try it out, it might work for you guys also, so Monday doesn't become that the cliche Monday.
you were, but my heart can't easily let you go.
after working and getting done with everything, and I was doing some time pass on Instagram, like, you know, creating some stories, editing some videos on phone. It's a good time pass, and you know, your creative thinking skills. Oh, okay, what is going to be coming up next, and things like that. So after doing all of that, I'm ready to prepare my dinner. So what I'm doing is I've boiled rajma, which is your kidney beans, and I'm going to add some tomatoes, onions, and cucumber into it, and with some sauces. And I have those tortilla wraps, so I'm just going to roll it over and have it for dinner. Kidney beans, very good source of, like, you know, proteins. It's very good for your health. So I've boiled those. So that's I like to, like, you know, create, innovate my own things. So I'm just going to put in whatever I like, whatever flavors I like, and just going to make it up. So watch out.
This isn't love, and I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone.
If you can see right now, this wonderful mix is ready. It has kidney beans, it has onions, tomatoes, cucumber, and I have added some sauces. It looks so yum. I'm going to, like, you know, just these are the tortilla wraps which I got. I'm just going to roast these and put it inside, wrap it, and then going to eat.
I'm just waiting for the fight, but you won't even try to survive. You would rather keep it all inside, and I can help you decide who you're loving now.
Okay, I think I'm doing this for the first time, so I think this should be better. Trying it burrito style. So actually my filling is a little bit, it has like gravy. Usually the burrito filling is like not that. Okay, so this looks interesting. Okay, wrapping it like this, putting here, and then here, and then here, and then roll it over like this. Okay, so these are my wonderful burrito wraps. Okay, I think I folded it quite wonderfully for the first attempt. What do you guys think about it? So I'm going to have my burrito wrap right now, which is homemade, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And if you did, please hit on the like button and do subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends and family. And if there is any feedback, any comment, please ensure that you drop it in the comment section, and I'll ensure that I do things like that. I'm going to see you tomorrow with another vlog, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.